Hello everyone, this is Pastor Chris here with One Vision Bible Church. We are a church plant here in Naples, Florida. We just wanted to do a short video to say thank you to Pastor Tyler St. Clair and the whole Cornerstone Church family in Detroit for your financial contribution to our ministry. As you guys can tell, we are not done yet. We are still working. We are still fixing stuff. We are still doing a lot of work. But one thing that we know, and Brother Richard is making some noise. One thing that we know, your financial contribution help us to start to launch this church over the next 3 weeks from a position of strength. Once again, you are a young church yourself, and your investment, your partnering with us. We appreciate it so very much, and may God richly bless you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless you.